Did your iPhone just get dropped in water? Don't panic, but don't charge it either. Here are the first things you should do to give your iPhone the best chance of surviving. Number 1. Turn it off. If your iPhone is still on, shut it down immediately. Electricity and moisture can cause serious damage to the internal components. Number 2. Unplug everything. Remove the charger, headphones, and any other accessories. And don't plug the iPhone back in just to see if it works. Number 3. Dry the outside. Remove the case and wipe the phone with a clean, soft cloth. Keep the charging port facing downward, and gently tap the phone against your hand to help excess liquid escape. Number 4. Let it dry. Place the iPhone somewhere dry with good airflow. A fan blowing cool air nearby is okay, but never use a hairdryer or direct heat. And don't put your iPhone in rice. Number 5. Get help if necessary. If the phone was submerged, won't turn on, gets hot, flickers, or keeps restarting, take it to a professional repair technician. And remember, don't keep charging or testing a wet iPhone. Follow for more simple iPhone tips and fixes.